I'm holding is his head. You can see, head. Supporting his head on my hand, and his feet are clearly flat on mine, and he's watching the fish. This is Basil. This is a 6-month-old male budgie. And as you can see, all I'm doing is supporting his head. I'm only holding his head, nothing else. He's free to do whatever he wants. As you can clearly see, he's walking about in my hands. And he's just got his feet are on my hands there. And then I'm just spotting his head. That's all I'm doing. You gonna say hi to the camera, Basil? Hello. Hello, I'm Basil. I'm just gonna show you his little foot. I can get that close to the camera. His little foot and his little body there. And his back. Him. I'm not harming him in any way. Not harming him at all. I'll give you a close up of his face. You can see his little markings on his face there. And his marking on his back of his neck. He's called Basil, this one. He's a little chewer though. But he's quite nice. He likes watching the fish.